Today, I'm going to show you how to get block information using QuickNode RPC in N8N, step by step. If you're working with blockchain workflows and need quick access to block data inside N8N, this is a simple way to do it without overcomplicating the setup. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This is where you'll add the node that will pull the block information you need. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the left side. In the search bar, type QuickNode RPC, then select the QuickNode RPC node from the list. After adding the node, the next step is to choose Get Block Information. This is the specific action that tells N8N you want to fetch details about a blockchain block rather than perform another RPC function. Once you select it, you'll see the configuration settings appear. Now you can configure what you want. Depending on your workflow, this may include the block number, block hash, or any other available block-related input required by the node. Set the values based on the exact block data you want to retrieve. If you are pulling a specific block, make sure your input is accurate so the response returns the correct information. After that, review your settings one more time to make sure everything is connected properly. Then run the node or execute the workflow to fetch the block information through QuickNode RPC. N8N will return the block details directly in your workflow output, ready for you to use in the next step of your automation. And that's it. You've now learned how to get block information using QuickNode RPC in N8N. It only takes a few steps. Open the workflow, add the QuickNode RPC node, choose Get Block Information, and configure the values you need. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check back for more N8N automation guides.